Okay, I'm going to try this one more time since my computer likes to screw with me here. Show you how to replace a roller hockey skate wheel. Done it all once with this entire skate on my own, and then I've tried to do 2 on my other skate so far, but my movie maker's not working with me tonight, so I'm going to try and replace this one here. This one was broken now, so I can't replace that one. I do have the bearing in there, but I can't show you how to take it off without the wheel, so we're just going to work on this one here. Go ahead, take your Allen wrench, make sure it's sized right. Push your finger on the flat end side of your skate, of the screw. Allen wrench in here, and unscrew. And as you get to the point where you can use both hands, kind of push on the screw a little bit to kind of pop out that other side. So it comes out. Screw. There we go. Screws out. Connect them back together. Keep them together. Don't lose them. Here's your wheel. As you can see, very, very, very worn down. In comparison to this sucker. These are the same size wheel. So, I'm gonna take your, as you can see here, you get your bearings in the middle. The very middle, the very center one, smallest one in the center goes all the way across. We're gonna push that one out. So I'm gonna take my Allen wrench, or if you have a special tool for it, you can use that as well. Just push, and it'll pop out. And it'll most likely push out the other end of the bearing too. So we got that. Keep those together so you don't lose them. Now you got an empty side here and this side there. So we're going to get this side out. So I'm going to turn it around, use my Allen wrench, and just kind of hit it out. There we go. Put it with the other ones. Okay. Now we get your new wheel. Got to put the bearings in. It's basically a reverse process from that. Get the bearing. There we go. Push it in. If you have any problems, get a hammer. Get some. You can use your Allen wrench and just knock it in there until it's nice and even. One step I did skip though. When you replace this stuff, oiled rag to wipe down the chassis and clean off your bearings and re-oil them for lubrication. I don't have any of that stuff, so I'm not going to worry about it. I don't mind the extra work in playing. It's not part of the game. So we got the one side in. Take the middle piece and we're going to stick it in there. So it's inside. And then the other end of the chassis, or the, not chassis, but the bearing, slide her in. Again, hit it to get it in there evenly. See, it's not going to spin very well for me. That's all I'm going to get out of it, but I'm not too worried about that. So then we're going to put the wheel back on. We're going to separate this thing that we unscrewed. It'll unscrew. There we go. Gonna put it in its socket. Make sure it's in the hole evenly so that it goes in all the way. Push it in and take the screw side, put it in on its side. Screw everything down. Making sure it's tight so it doesn't come loose in the middle of a game. Cool, now we're done. You've got yourself a wheel. I'm not going to do the last one because you can probably figure it out from here. Until next time.